Now, this video is called Planting Seeds because whether your goal is to play a sophisticated piece in a way that's artistically pleasing, or whether your goal is to be able to play a single note, or to play a scale, or to play one song in a way you think is pretty, or if you want to get real serious about this whole game and follow the advice of someone like scholar John Mortensen and understand all major and minor keys, and circle of fifths, Roman numeral analysis, secondary dominance, chromatic mediance, wherever you're going in the spectrum, you don't get there in a day. So it's not like, oh, I'm great. All you can do right now is you plant seeds. And by that I mean identify what you want to be able to do and then create a training plan which has a good chance of getting you there, and then follow that plan. So really the start of being a much better player is to plant seeds. Because what you plant today will turn into your garden down the pike. Head in the right directions, plant your seeds well, water them with daily practice. You can reach some very, very high levels of accomplishment, which is probably what you really want to do.